Hey mango lovers, coffee ready? Let's head straight into Australia's mango season, where 70,000 tons are grown, picked and shipped with smart agriculture tech. Welcome to FarmForce. If you love stories that blend sunshine, sweat and science, hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. At 5:30 a.m., pickers arrive in the Northern Territory. The goal? Beat the heat. Each worker picks 1,000 mangoes before noon. Using long poles with cutting jaws, they snip fruit gently to avoid bruising. By midday, trucks are filled with 10 tons of fresh Kensington Pride mangoes, ready for the pack house. Hydraulic lifts for easy picking. To reach higher fruit without damage, farmers use hydraulic lifts that extend up to 4 meters. These platforms allow 2 workers to pick 1,500 mangoes per hour, cutting fatigue and doubling efficiency compared to ladders. World's first mango auto harvester. Developed by CQ University, this robot picks mangoes with just 5 seconds per fruit, using cameras and suction arms to avoid bruising. It works day or night and can harvest over 700 mangoes an hour, cutting labor demand by nearly 60%. Once inside the factory, mangoes begin their journey on a 200-foot-long conveyor line. First stop, a gentle hot water bath to clean and sterilize. If you're still here watching, then hey, we must share the same love for farming stories. Why not stick around? Hit subscribe and be part of this little corner where agriculture meets heart. We'd be lucky to have you. If you've made it this far, maybe you love farming stories too. Hit subscribe and stay with us. We'd be lucky to have you. Only perfect mangoes make the cut for export. Workers pack them into foam-cushioned trays. Then, they're sorted by weight, ripeness, and color using optical scanners. It's the intersection of fruit and artificial intelligence. Each tray holds 10 to 12 mangoes and is labeled with orchard info, variety, and harvest date. By the end of the day, over 120,000 mangoes are boxed and chilled, destined for Japan, Korea, and the US. Meet the modern mango crusher, processing up to 2,000 mangoes per hour with pinpoint accuracy. It peels, de-seeds, and separates pulp in one seamless step. Without it, factories could lose 15% of usable fruit and spend double on labor. Its surgical blades remove just 3 millimeters of skin, preserving flavor and maximizing yield. Next, the mango flesh dives into a bubble washer that blends soft detergent with 0.4 bar air pressure. In under 2 minutes, it gently scrubs away dust, fuzz, and sticky sap. After draining, the fruit emerges clean and vibrant, ready for freezing or pureeing without a trace of residue. If you've made it this far, you're not just watching. You're part of a community that loves farming, tech, and good stories. So hit that subscribe button. We'd be proud to have you grow with us. At Grupo Fresa, 3 million mangoes are processed every year with precision. First, each mango is washed, peeled, and diced into 20 by 20 millimeter cubes. Then, the cubes are flash frozen at -30 degrees Celsius to lock in flavor. After that, they're either quick frozen or filled into aseptic bags. Nothing is wasted, just pure export-ready efficiency. Rejected mangoes don't go to waste. At a nearby juice factory, they're peeled, crushed, and filtered into smooth pulp. Pasteurizers heat the juice to 60 degrees, 140 degrees, killing bacteria while keeping flavor intact. One batch produces over 12,000 liters of pure mango joy. Incredible. Every hour, 60,000 liters of water are filtered to make this mango juice. Just 150 kilograms of sugar is added to create the perfect syrup, light, clean, and sweet. The whole process runs non-stop, 24/7, ensuring every bottle tastes just like a real mango on a sunny day. This entire mango journey from picking to packaging is a textbook example of farm-to-factory efficiency. It supports over 800 farms, creates 7,000 seasonal jobs, and powers regional economies. Agriculture technology turns fruit into fortune. Let's rewind a bit. Mango trees are planted during the dry season, spaced 5 meters apart for airflow and growth. Drip irrigation sends water straight to the roots, cutting waste by 40%. To keep trees healthy, farmers use mechanical pruners to open the canopy for light and airflow. Bees handle the pollination naturally. As for pests, Organic sprays and pheromone traps keep the bad bugs away without harming the mangoes or the soil. By year 3, trees bloom. By year 5, each can produce over 300 juicy mangoes. Some farms now use drones to scan tree health and even predict yield. Satellite data guides irrigation. Soil moisture sensors talk to AI systems to optimize water use, saving millions of liters each season. That's sustainable farming at its smartest. Subscribe to FarmForce and let us know. Would you join the mango harvest? Next stop, smart farming machines, so stick around and we'll see you in the next video.